So I'm Andrew Ehio Musele. I'm from Nigeria, and I'm the country representative of Peace TV Initiative Nigeria. So I want to walk you through my story. So early in life, I was so interested in business. So because my mother was a petty trader, so that bettered my passion in studying accounting. So I studied accounting in my BA. So after accounting, I did some voluntary work in Nigeria, and I worked for a microfinance institution, which is a Lift Above Poverty Microfinance Bank, LAPO, which is the biggest microfinance bank. I was the rural control officer. After then, I was promoted to an accountant and an internal control auditor. As an accountant, I was in charge of preparing the cash book, doing a budget for the branch and other branches, and also going to the field to talk to clients. So after about 6-7 years there, so that bettered the passion for development. So I was interested in community development, in helping the community. So I decided to further my education. So I got a scholarship in Israel, local, so which is a 2 years scholarship program. So I studied Masters in International Development, which I just rounded up in April. So the why I joined the initiative is when I read through the Peace 360 initiative, I found out that it was really interesting, like the passion of helping communities through health, helping doing humanitarian work. It was very intriguing for me. So I decided to play my role, being that I have a passion for community work too. And I feel like the uniqueness of the Peace 360 initiative is the ideas of different people, the ideas of different pioneers from different countries. Like from the meeting, like we had, so I was able to hear ideas from different people, and this is a kind of a unique concept in the development world, and making these various individuals to bring their initiative on the table is what is really unique. It is not found in any organization elsewhere, but it's very unique. So in Nigeria, I would say the major problem in Nigeria is is corruption of government, and youth unemployment. Youth unemployment is still a major problem, and another major problem is ethnic difficulty. So these are the major problem, and I think how the Peace 360 initiative will go through is bringing up an advocacy program that mediates between the populace and the government, and also like advocacy program that engage communities, engage different ethnic group, and engage gender too in different communities. I think we, if possibly, bringing up a youth program that will engage youth in different spheres. With all these things, I think the Peace 360 initiative is a done deal, and is what I think would work all over the world. Thank you.